probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So you guys, we have reached the place. We have reached at the place. Ariko twagize twarushye, but I'm going to give you like a small room tour, okay? Let's start. Oh, but what are room tour? What are room tour? Oh, but okay, so you guys winjiye bitubona imeza. So you guys, this is the living room with the bestie. But then get living room rero. You get TV. We are watching. So, okay, this is the living room. But turagiye ahangaha ni aho birira, right? So, here is the thingy. Ahangaha, this is the kitchen. Kitchen. You know, aboro bagira barira. It's like that. And let's open. Remember, it's empty as fuck. Nta kintu kimwe kikujya kirimo. Ndumva mbabaye agenda karanyishe. But yeah. So this is my room. Winjiye hariya. Yeah, this is our room. And this is our toilet. It's like that. That's me. And anga na amashunuza yacu, garderobe yacu dore niyi. It's nice and clean. And that's our bedroom. Everything like wow. I really love it. So in toilet yindi, like it's really clean. Nakunze ko clean. Everything here is well organized. Like yeah, it's really good. So hano harimo na internet. Okay, internet yanga wifi. It's all kills and what to gonna was So you guys, I think I'm done. So see you tomorrow. That's outside. Compare the outside part of it, okay? So this is outside, right? It's actually nice. So the room tour was that. I mean the staycation tour. So that's of it. I'm really tired, kabisa. I think I'm going to sleep. I really loved karakawati kachu, right? It's really good. It's giving like it's giving. It's really giving something. Harahumura hano heza nakunze harahumura. It's something good. TV hariya. Like me, I'm really lying on my bed. But yeah, probably this room was good. I love how it's like Yeah. It's actually nice. And what else? Everything here is well set. Kundi yenu kari internet. That's number one thing. Ikindi hari well smelling good. That's number second. Ikindi hari so like haratuje. Pretty good. And yeah, that's all. That's of today, and I'm really tired to start with. I need to work. I need to wake up at 6. Now ndi no kumva ikindi kuvuga ubumva byanancanze kuko I'm really tired. But let me stop by here. Hope you enjoyed today's room tour. Your vlogs are really coming on the way, trust me. Yeah, so you guys, let me just come up and go bye.
Together, you must forever.